Poker hands are ranked from lowest to highest. Understanding this order is key to mastering the game. At the lowest rank, we have the high card. If nobody has a pair, or better, the player with the highest card wins. If two or more players tie for the highest card, we compare the second highest, then the third, and so on. Pair. Two cards of the same rank combined with three distinct cards. In the case of a tie, the hand with the higher pair wins. Next is two pair. Two distinct sets of two cards of the same rank. If both hands have the same high pair, we look to the second pair to break the tie. Three of a kind, three cards of the same rank, along with two unmatched cards. The highest set takes the pot. A straight, 5 cards in sequential order. Remember, an ace can be high or low, but straights can't wrap around. For example, queen, king, ace, 2, 3 doesn't work. When straights tie, the hand with the highest card wins. Flush. 5 cards of the same suit regardless of order, but has to be the same suit. Then there's the full house, a combination of 3 of a kind and a pair. If there's a tie, the 3 of a kind is compared first, then the pair. 4 of a kind, 4 cards of the same rank with one distinct 5th card. Next, the straight flush, 5 cards in sequential order, all of the same suit. But remember, like straights, no wrapping around. And finally, the royal flush, the most powerful hand in poker, a straight flush, with an ace as the highest card. Master these rankings, and you'll always know how your hand stacks up.